How to identify this bird from Pennsylvania during December. With the white cheek, black crown and throat, and the buffy flanks, this is a chickadee. And in Pennsylvania, there's two species that are almost identical to each other, Carolina chickadee and black-capped chickadee. On this one, notice that the cheek through the nape here is all a pure white color, and there's very strong white edging here in the wings that makes it look like a little hockey stick with the blade of the stick here and the handle going off this way. And that makes this a black-capped chickadee.